morning, everyone. This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. In the last week, three things happened. First, dollar rupee pair traded in a narrow range between 82.10 to 82.70. And on last week video, we discussed that there is a 20% probability that the pair can remain in a consolidation phase. Second thing what has happened is that forward premium, 1 year forward premium has fallen down drastically. And third thing, despite good inflation data from the US side, market reacted exactly opposite. Dollar index went down, equity market went up, and currency, euro and pound were stable. So in today's presentation, we are going to discuss two things: why forward premiums have fallen, and critically analyzing the impact of US inflation on dollar index, equity market, and our currency. Now let us understand why forward premium have fallen. At the beginning of the week, the forward premium was trading at 2 rupees 37 paisa. At the end of the week, it came down to 2 rupees 7 paisa. The drastic fall happened because RBI intervened in the forward market by selling forward, because of which the premium has come down. Technical terms mein, they have done a buy-sell swap, means buying in the spot and selling in the forward. They have done this step to manage the rupee liquidity in the system. The important point for us is that we expect RBI will continue to do the same strategy for the next few days, and because of which we can see drop in the premium in coming days. Now let us understand US inflation data. 2/3 of consumer spending goes into services in USA, and service inflation has been rising from last 13 months in USA. In current month, it came at highest since 1982. Second inflation जो data हम देखते हैं, which is called core inflation data, which excludes food and energy, that also came highest since 1982. Third important data point है वो है job market का data. Job market, job growth in US is intact. Because of this three data point, we can conclude that in the month of November, Fed is going to increase interest rate by 75 basis point, and there are higher probability that in December also it will go and increase by 75 basis point. If that happens, the dollar index will move to 115 to 117, equity market will underperform, and all emerging market currencies will get weaker. Now let us analyze what will happen to our dollar rupee pair. Now if you see the chart, dollar rupee pair is giving two kind of moves in last 7 months. Pehla, it will trade in a consolidation phase for some time and then give a breakout. Consolidation phase and then give a breakout. Probably for the coming days, we expect the pair to trade in a consolidation phase between 82.10 on the lower side and 82.90 on the higher side. But the day when 82.90 is broken off, the pair will eventually move towards 83.5 to 84 levels. Now let us discuss strategy for thin margin exporters. Thin margin exporters like chemical exporter or agri exporter, they are taking costing between 81.50 to 82 kind of a level. For them, we are suggesting they should hedge 50% of their exposure between 82.40 to 82.60 kind of a level. For remaining position, they can target 83 to 83.25. They have to keep a stop loss for open position between 81.80 or costing, whichever is higher. Now let us discuss strategy for thick margin exporters like textile exporter or an engineering exporter. As the biasness of the pair is on the weaker side, for thick margin exporters will follow the same kind of strategy. Keep a lower hedge ratio, ideally between 40 to 45%, and hold with a stop loss strategy. For further booking, they can wait for a target of 83.5 to 84 kind of a level, and they can keep a stop loss of 81.60. Now let us discuss strategy for importers. As discussed in the previous slide, that rupee from last 6 months, rupee is trading in a two ways kind of a momentum: consolidation and a breakout. So ideally, when the pair is trading in a consolidation phase, at that point of time you should buy. Any dips towards 82.20 to 82.40 should be taken as an opportunity to cover imports for at least 45 to 60 days, as the biasness of the pair is on the weaker side. Now let us discuss trading ideas for coming days. लास्ट वीक जो दो कॉल दिए थे अपन ने, Sell Euro USD close to 0.9750 to 9780 for a target of 0.95. Stop loss is 0.9950. That holds good. Sell GBP USD between 1.1120 से लेके 1.1150 for a target of 1.07. Stop loss 1.15. That also holds good. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind. Namaskar. फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.